Hey guys, how's it going? So that's in today's video I will be talking about Medmen. Why I abandoned Medmen. I will explain in this video why I abandoned Medmen. So yeah, I did it on the weekend and not the weekend, sorry, on Monday. So and I didn't want to I didn't want to talk about it or make a video until the weekend because I wanted to see if the chart would I wanted to see because I wanted to see, I didn't want it to be influencing the stock, so that's why I didn't mention it. But yeah, I sold my stock and I may buy it back, but right now I'm waiting for earnings, to be honest. So let me just begin at the beginning. When if some of you guys haven't heard, this is the main reason why I wanted to invest big time into Medmen, is because I saw this $250 million investment into Medmen by Gotham Green, and it got me excited because $250 million is a lot of money and a big deal. So I decided to take a leap of faith, invest a ton of money. I was also not paying attention to the chart. I was not, I knew how to read charts. I ignored it because I was so blindsided and I really wanted this company to succeed. And, the stock price just kept falling on me over and over and over again. And I just ignored it. And then, just constant bad news keeps coming out for the company, like the management leaving and them getting sued. It's just there's a lot of things wrong with Medmen. Medmen does have a really nice brand, but there's poor governance. There's poor governance within Medmen right now, and governance. I came to the realization, governance is very, very important in a business. You need to have good governance. I think it's very important. Researching the management, finding out about the management is very important. And Medmen does have some shady background. The CEO and the CEO has some shady backgrounds. He's getting sued. There's just so much problems. Around. So this is when they got that big investment. It was on March 22nd. I saw this news, I got really excited, and I invest a ton of money at the beginning without even, thinking about strategy. I just went out and I just threw a ton of money into Medmen, and I didn't even think about it, and that's what got me shot in the foot. Because I was being super emotional, and, it got me really excited, and it's a life lesson I learned, that don't ever get excited about a stock. Don't ever get excited about a stock. If you see a good company, you should make if you like. I think it's human nature to be excited about stock. You basically, you see some news, you get really excited and you really want to buy it right away. Or the stock climbs and you get really excited and you want to buy more. It's human nature to do that, but I should control that. I know about it. I was looking at the chart. So, the second day was good, but the volume was low. And then when I saw this red bar, I should have been cautious. When I saw the second red bar, I knew it was downtrending. I should have sold out. I should have sold out around $4.30. Because what happened, it went all the way down to $3.71, popped, and it went all the way back down to $3. I should have just sold out. I should have sold out most of my position. Maybe kept a few, kept 10, 20,000 shares, and then, just wait it out. And then if it went, I could have bought right here because this looked like a bottom. So but I didn't. So, and I don't know. It's just I should have sold out. I should just left it. I should have paid attention to the charts. I should have paid attention to all the governance. And then I decided not to gamble on shady companies. I will still buy Medmen. Don't get me wrong. I will still buy Medmen, but right now I'm waiting for earnings. I'm waiting for earnings. If the stock goes to $3, I may make a position in it, but I can't right now because I sold out and I have to wait 30 days because of this whitewash rule. So I can buy on my corporation on the 15th. So I may make a small position back into Medmen if I see an attractive price point. But, on May 6th, I saw this news, Medmen stock down, hit by 2 more cause of action claims. Actually, I saw this news on May 5th, 2019, and I decided to, the next day I was like, okay, you know what? Aurora could crash after earnings. I need cash. I'm tired of Medmen, and then I looked at the chart and I was like, okay, you know what? It looks like Medmen is starting to downtrend. So I decided right in the morning to sell it off. And I didn't want to tell anyone because I wanted to see if I was, the chart was correct. And it was. It fell all the way down to 330, bounced because it was way over the Bollinger Band, bounced back, and now it's just downtrending again. So it's still downtrending. Medmen is still downtrending pretty hard right now. There is a lot of pressure on Medmen stock. There's really poor governance, and then on top of that, they got hit by 2 more cause of action claims. That's not good. So just lots and lots of bad news and black clouds, and it's just thunder all over the place. So that's how I see Medmen. Earnings could either recover the stock, or it could plummet the stock even further if they still manage to lose money, even though they sold their assets. That is not going to look very good for them, because this company, everyone would just think this company is a company that bleeds a ton of money. They are working on trying to reduce expenses, but there's just so much you can do. It's extremely hard for them to become profitable, at least in my opinion, because the employees are unionized, so they can't just fire the employee. They have to really work on management. They really have to work on, and then the CEO pays himself $1.5 million a year. That's an insane salary. So, it's just there's just lots of things wrong with it. I also M Jardine kind of struck a chord with me. I bought big into M Jardine around $2.50, and then I did a lot of research. And, it went all the way down to $2. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to gamble on the earnings. So I decided to sell out of this company, leave it alone. And what happened? It fell all the way down to $1.35. It could go down further. It could become a penny stock. This is a lot of things. This is another company that has poor governance too. At least in my opinion only. I'm not 100% sure. Somebody might argue with me saying that they have good governance, but I don't think so. That's just my opinion. Harvest Health, after Harvest Health got $500,000, I wasn't really that happy about Medmen getting $250,000. So, and Harvest One, I did my research. Good governance. Well capitalized, good balance sheet, just a very well developed company in my opinion. So, like after, like, I would not sell Harvest 1. I would buy more and I average down, but Medmen, I would bottom buy as much as possible and, you know, flip it. Because, you know, let's say I still believe that Medmen could get bought out, but you know, it's, you know, they could be bought out at $4 or $3, or, you know, the stock can go all the way down to $2 and they can get bought out at $3. You don't know these things. You don't know for sure. But they're losing tons of money. They need to fix that. They really need to fix that. And that's something that's very hard to fix. So let's see. I hope them good. I mean, I hope them well. I hope they do somehow fix the expenses, because they really need to work on that. They really need to work on that. Some people got angry about me, you know, talking about village farms. So I will attempt to do research on it. It's tough because I'm not invested in it, but I will attempt to do my research on it and try to get a better understanding of the company. And then maybe I'll do a video dedicated on it. Hopefully I can have it by the end of Sunday. You know, before I go, I just want to talk about the Pokemon movie. I grew up to be a huge Pokemon fan when I was small. Not really a Pokemon fan anymore, but I still really want to watch this movie. It just looks pretty cool, and it just brings the fan in me when I was young. So I want to watch the Pokemon movie. Pokemon movie didn't get too good of a score, but users really like it. They gave it like 64. The sales wasn't that impressive too. It's only $5.7 million on opening day. So, but still, I think this movie can probably do like $200 million, maybe $500 million. I think this movie can do probably $500 million in my opinion, because think about how many Pokemon Go players there are. Every Pokemon Go player is gonna want to watch this Pikachu movie, in my opinion. So let's see if it happens. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.